This is a very quick walking tour of this villa in El Madroñal Marbella. We're about 10 minutes to the north of Marbella, and in about a week the owners of this villa will take delivery, so to speak, and I'm just going to show you around the building now in its current slightly unfinished state. Here you can see the profile of the property. It faces south, and you'll see that it steps down the slope. There are no more than 2 stories at any one point to comply with the planning regulations, and of course that design, that arrangement has been a crucial part of the design from the very beginning. There are 2 access points from the road above and also from the road below. Here we're on the road above, and you can see that parking is actually on the roof. So those gates open. This is the pedestrian access here, and you park your car on the roof space here, and then with your luggage or with your shopping, you're going to take the lift down to the rest of the house. Let's have a look over the wall here, where you can see the pool below, and you can see these fabulous views going south towards the Mediterranean, and you can see the Mediterranean there in the background. If we take a look at this neighboring house on the other side of the valley, you can see how a more conventional design might be. It actually faces west. So the aspect of the house and the views are to the west. Well, the views are to the south, but that particular design of the house doesn't take advantage of the views. It faces west. In our design, the main rooms of the house and the bedrooms all face south. So this is the northern elevation of the property, and you can see behind that grey wall there the staircase going down. If you don't take the lift, you're going to take the stairs, and I'll show you now around the house, starting with the top floor and moving down throughout the house. So this is the top floor of the villa, and it's actually a bit like a self-contained apartment, or self-contained room anyway. I think it's one of my favorite rooms in the house, and you can see here we've got those fabulous views down to the Mediterranean. A balcony here that looks out over the pool and the lawn. And I'm going to pan round now so you can see the interior of the room and get an idea of the size of it. It could easily contain a small kitchen and be a studio apartment. So this is the ensuite bathroom to the studio apartment on the top floor. So this is the big entrance door to the villa, and you can see as we go in we've got a double height ceiling with masses of light coming in through that south facing window. And here on this floor there are 4 bedrooms. 3 of them face the views to the south. This is the 4th one, which doesn't face the views to the south, but has masses of natural light with that French window out onto the terrace. Ensuite bathroom. And if I keep going, you'll see here this probably the master bedroom, which is in the southeast corner of the villa, with a private dressing room there. All of the details having been specified by our clients and hand-built by us. Here is the master bathroom, the bathtub, and you can see here how these carefully chosen marble tiles have been carefully aligned so that the lines in the marble run together and carefully cut so that the shower units come through the tile, and there's the cavity in the wall for the shampoo and the shower gel, so that that's all tidily taken care of. And the hand wash basins. Let's go into the bedroom itself. Notice wooden floors throughout the whole property to give a nice feeling underfoot. And here we've got, obviously in the master bedroom, windows facing east and south, and they give out onto those absolutely fabulous views, and they overlook the pool. There are two more bedrooms here. One with an ensuite bathroom, and this is the fourth bedroom, which is in the southwest corner of the villa, with its ensuite bathroom in the same theme. And this one looks out across the views, across also that little green roof, that little roof garden. To the views. Natural stone wall. Ducting for the air conditioning, you can see, all hidden under the false ceilings. Underfloor heating throughout the whole property. So I'm just going to show you the outside of the property now from the upper floor, where as I pan round you'll see there's quite a significant terrace. That's a little roof garden that we saw, and the bedrooms, the three bedrooms there, are arranged facing south. And then we've got a very spacious roof terrace here, facing east and looking out across this lovely natural environment with all the trees. What a fantastic place to live. So this is easily the most important room in the house. Our client's concept from the beginning was very strong. You walk into the open plan kitchen, living, dining area, and you can see here that the whole space opens up completely. So from the very beginning, our client said the kitchen island is the hub of the house. It's where the family gather around, maybe to share the cooking, family and friends, or to share a glass of wine. And here you can see the 12-meter uninterrupted span completely opened up. So there's really one space inside and outside, and they can look across the infinity pool to the views of the Mediterranean, maybe with the children playing in the pool, We span round to this end of the room. This is the sitting area. Large television screen above what will be a fireplace. And once again, panning round to the kitchen island, and you can see here the window fittings are completely flush with the floor. The shade is exactly calibrated so the sun doesn't fall at any time of the year. Inside the house, we have this permanent shaded space here, and we can step out into the sunlight to the infinity pool, which drops away to the Mediterranean.